Ever wonder why some people seem to always be happy and successful while others struggle? Well, it might just be their inner dialogue. You see, the words we tell ourselves, our self-talk, carry an immense power that shapes our reality. It's like having a roommate in your head, one that never stops talking. This roommate can either be your biggest cheerleader or your harshest critic. Consider the story of Jack, a guy who used to struggle with low self-esteem. Jack was constantly telling himself he wasn't good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. But one day Jack decided to change his inner dialogue. He started telling himself that he was capable, talented, and deserving. And guess what? Jack's life took a complete 180 turn. His confidence soared, his relationships improved, he even got a promotion at work. So you see how powerful your inner dialogue can be? Now, imagine if you could harness this power. So what exactly is positive self-talk? It's not just about telling yourself you're great all the time. Picture this. Positive self-talk is like a personal cheerleader in your head, always ready to boost your spirits, but it's also your own best critic, there to gently correct you when you go astray. It's about maintaining a realistic yet optimistic dialogue with yourself. Unlike simple affirmations, which can sometimes feel like hollow repetitions, positive self-talk is dynamic. It adjusts according to situations, always seeking to uplift and motivate while acknowledging reality. Think of it as the difference between repeating "I am successful" versus saying "I am capable of achieving success and here's how I'm going to do it." The latter involves a plan of action, a belief in one's abilities, and an acknowledgement of the effort required, and that's where the misconception lies. Positive self-talk is about reinforcing your belief in your abilities, not just empty words of self-praise. It's not just a feel-good mantra, there's actual science behind the power of positive self-talk. Let's dive into some of the research on this topic. A study published in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology found that cyclists who used positive self-talk were able to pedal longer before exhaustion than those who didn't. This suggests that positive self-talk can enhance physical performance. But it's not just about physical feats. Another study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology revealed that individuals who practiced self-affirmation were more likely to maintain their self-esteem when faced with threatening information. And let's not forget about stress. Research from the University of Nevada showed that people who used positive self-talk had lower levels of stress and higher levels of life satisfaction. So positive self-talk isn't just some new age mumbo-jumbo, it's scientifically proven to work. Now you must be wondering, how do I start practicing positive self-talk? Well, the first step is awareness. Recognize when you're indulging in negative self-talk. Are you often critical of yourself? Do you use words like can't, won't, or shouldn't? If so, it's time to flip the script. Replace these negative words with positive ones. Instead of saying I can't do this, try I'll give it my best shot. Instead of I won't be able to finish this, say I will take one step at a time. The words we use have a powerful impact on our mindset. Next, create a list of positive affirmations. These are positive statements that can help overcome self-sabotaging negative thoughts. They could be as simple as I am capable or I am worthy of good things. Repeat these affirmations to yourself every day. You could do this in front of a mirror, during your commute, or even while taking a shower. The key is consistency. Also, take it easy on yourself. Positive self-talk is not about denying reality or pretending everything is perfect. It's about focusing on the potential, the progress, and the positives, no matter how small they may seem. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. This mental imagery can boost your confidence and motivate you to work towards your dreams. And finally, surround yourself with positivity. This could be positive people, positive environments, or even positive music and books. Remember, positive self-talk is a skill. It takes practice, but the rewards are worth it. Affirmations are powerful tools that can help reinforce your positive self-talk. They are like pep talks you give to yourself, concise and positive statements you repeat often. They're designed to foster a positive mindset and help you overcome self-sabotaging thoughts. For instance, I am capable and strong. I am deserving of happiness, or I am becoming better every day. These are just a few examples of affirmations that can be used to bolster your confidence and self-esteem. Affirmations are like your personal cheerleaders, always there to boost your spirits when you need it. Now I challenge you to take control of your self-talk. Harnessing the power of positive self-talk and affirmations isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice, a habit that requires commitment. But how do you make this a part of your everyday routine? Start your day with a positive affirmation. Before you even get out of bed, set the tone for your day with words of self-love and empowerment. It could be as simple as saying, "Today is going to be a great day," or "I am capable of handling whatever comes my way." Next, check in with your self-talk throughout the day. Is it positive or negative? If you catch yourself using negative language, take a moment to reframe it into something more uplifting. Lastly, end your day the way you started it, with a positive affirmation. This sets a positive precedent for the next day, creating a cycle of positivity. Change your words, change your world. It's time to start talking yourself up, not down.